Where are we going?
The haunted car wash!
Okay.
The haunted car wash.
Mommy's working tonight. She told Grammie to take them to the haunted car wash. We'll see how we do. All right, we'll take more pictures when we get there.
Yeah!
All right.
Yeah! Bailey here. Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. So today we're going to the haunted car wash. We've been begging our dad, our mom, and our Grammie, because Grammie told us all about it. I love it. And tonight we're going. There are going to be scary stuff walking up to our window. It's going to be amazing. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is a long line. Oh my gosh, there's even a cop up there directing traffic.
Guess a lot of people want to see the spooky car wash.
Oh, this is crazy.
I wonder how long we'll have to wait. I just opened. This is going to be crazy.
Yeah. But there's a long line, and there's a cop and traffic. How many days did we take?
Well, we'll probably have to wait a little while. What do you think we'll see?
A spooky monster. Yeah! A clown. This is almost like a traffic jam.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, guys.
So what do we do while we're waiting in the car?
Look at Bailey.
She bounces around and makes goofy faces. Every car in front of me and behind me probably wonders what is going on in my car.
Look at me.
This is not supposed to be the freak show before the scary car wash, guys.
Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Guys, we're getting closer. Yay! Yay! We've been waiting not too long, and we're already getting super close. I know how we're getting close. We're getting closer to the light, which is the police light that's directing traffic. So, no traffic jam anymore.
Although lots of people turned around and went the other way, like the pizza guy.
Even Master Pizza. Oh,
so
to the people like I did this.
So we're still waiting in line, and so I was trying to prepare the kids for what we might see. And I said, because we heard some shots, and I said, well, maybe somebody will come up and pretend like they're shooting you. Or they'll have a knife and they'll come up to your window and they'll go,
No, she went. She did this to see Meal.
And of course there'll be scary clowns, because there's always scary clowns, right?
Yeah.
All right, we're still waiting.
See
What are we going to do if we're scared? Cece, what are you going to do if you're scared? What are you doing? You're going to cover your head.
Gotta scare on back. That's the way to do it.
Cece's got a good plan to cover her head. Grammie could cover her head too, because you don't have to drive in a car wash. You just put it in neutral and it pulls your car through. So we're getting closer. That's like the line. We're still on the road. The line.
Show us some of the mummies.
Well, we will when we get closer. The line's coming in from two directions, which probably makes it slower. And we were actually here when it's just opening. We'll show you some of the decorations when we actually get in the driveway.
It's just as soon as you get in the driveway, guys. I see a clown with a chainsaw already walking up to people's windows, and they're not even in the car wash. They're not even close to paying. There's just clown just walking. Mothers!
Gotta take a video. Oh, we got a monster by our window. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. What's a fake knife in your pocket?
We don't know what that character is, huh, girls?
Yeah, that's weird. I really like the clown.
Yeah, we didn't get video of the clown. Oh, see, she's got her knife out. Here she comes. Look.
Knife! What character are you? Hey guys, guess what? Our uncle got us here We thought he wouldn't make it, but he did. Now Cecilia and Bailey don't have to sit up front. Now they can sit in the back with our Uncle Matt. Eee.
Where's Bailey? I can't see you, Bailey. I see you. I don't see Cece. Comes the clown again.
There's a lot of really grown people with no kids in this.
I know. So this is a great idea with COVID, huh? Put a haunted house in, but we can stay in our car. See monsters.
You see that guy doing this?
No.
I saw it. Oh no, the girl with the
It's
knife.
a scarecrow. You want to be by me? You're by Uncle Matt. Are you scared? We're not even in the car wash. We're still in line, and she wants to be with Grammie. Here comes the scarecrow.
La 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 la.
I keep you safe.
So we're almost up to where we pay. Lena said that's Harley Quinn. She loves Harley Quinn. She's taking the money.
Quinn's bat. Oh, Harley
I
Quinn
did not
knife.
know.
No, Harley Quinn. Oh, look at Scary Person.
Where? Oh, there's your friend. That's the knife lady.
Do the E. Do the E, Alina. No,
What?
do your knife.
This is my knife.
Oh, look, her lights blink. Oh, my blower came on.
Oh, Alina kicked it. It was supposed to be
Next in line for the Rainforest Car Wash experience.
You scared Look at the smoke. The smoke's even inside the car. Look how creepy it is. With the dead dogs and dead humans coming out of the grave. Look at the ghost. Oh, God. This reminds me of Slappy from Goosebumps 2, where it all comes to life because there's a bunch of really cool costumes. And it just reminds me of Goosebumps 2.
Yeah.
Look at those stuff. Oh, the graveyard. It's really cool. People coming out of the graveyard.
What's that, Alina?
Oh, it's a skeleton sitting in like a bucket. Whoa.
That's a coffin.
I think it's a coffin.
Oh, it's a coffin. He's sitting in the back of the coffin and waving.
Oh, he's waiting.
He's chilling.
Chilling.
There's a dead dog.
Where's the dead dog?
Oh, right there in the other coffin.
Oh, well, at least his dog's with him.
Yeah. Oh, what is that? It's Remy.
Oh, thanks.
It's the same size.
It is.
Do they actually wash your car?
Look
Yeah.
about a tree with a mouth and eyes.
There's some more stuff. There's all kinds of stuff.
The mouth and eyes?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's cool.
Lights on the car wash are dripping blood. Look at that.
Or it's dripping electricity, Grammie.
Oh, it's dripping electricity. Okay.
Look at that.
The car in front of us is driving into the car wash.
Free hugs. I seen that on YouTube. Free hugs.
Free hugs? What's a hug?
Free hug
A hug?
on him. Free hug.
That's when you don't know what a hug is?
Oh.
Look. A hug. Hug.
Oh, okay.
See, it says free hugs.
On the car or on the guy?
No,
Oh, on the
on the
guy.
guy.
Oh.
It's an S, not a Z. Free hugs. Stop it.
Is he watching my tires?
It's an S.
There's a panda.
It's a rhino.
Horseman.
It's
Oh, he's going to beat on our window.
a sheep.
Neutral.
No.
Here we go, oh my lord. Ah!
That's an S. It's an S.
Look at the horsey.
What's that? Cool.
Is that a werewolf?
That scared me.
gonna beat on our window up here, guys. Just don't be scared, okay? He's probably gonna beat on Grammie's window. What do you think? You guys chickens, look at them. They're closer than ever now.
That scared me. Yeah, see? Blood on them.
Oh yeah. What do you think, guys? Yeah.
Scary. Oh.
We'll have to go right, Uncle Matt.
This is how scary I think it is. I laugh when I get scared, so that's how scary. Are you leaving to get your car?
We're gonna drop Uncle Matt off at his car.
Why don't we just all go get ice cream?
Oh, I guess we're all going to go get ice cream. Okay.